गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चे लोगों। अभी तो पढ़ाई में कोई दिक्कत भी नहीं है, कोरोना चल रहा है, याद नहीं किया तो भी सर मार नहीं सकते, कोई नहीं। क्लास 10th, टॉपिक फर्स्ट, फूड एंड ह्यूमन हेल्थ. All of we know very well that we have, and I think I taught you this lesson more than 3 and 4 times, and each time I explained it in detail, and many times you get test of this topic also. But for our online class, once again we have to pay a bit attention on it. Food and human health. Food, the grains which we eat. Food, different type of the food we have here. We need energy to maintain, to run, to do such type of the work, also to maintain our body. The food, bodybuilding food, some food for the growth of human being. We need different type of the food. Food mean diet, and diet, which type of the diet we need per day? We need the balanced diet. That mean in our diet we include vitamin, minerals, carbohydrate, fat, even protein, all of things which is required to grow our body in proper amount. That is known by the name of balanced diet. Balanced diet increases our immunity, and in this corona time, in this pandemic period, all of we listening from here and there, increase your immunity. That mean रोग प्रतिरोधक capacity, WBC, white blood cells, have to increase in our body so that these blood cells can fight with the bacteria. No virus can affect anyone if we have strong immunity. Baba Ramdev is showing yogas is done on the TV channels, and such type of other persons also are telling us increase your immunity, increase your immunity. Nowadays I am also increasing my immunity per day. I also like to go in the morning in our ground and walking there again and again. Continue almost 40 minutes. And I think all of you also try to increase your immunity in your own way. So we have to increase our immunity to keep our body fit. Malnutrition, that means we taking same type of the food for the long period. That is, we can survive, we can be alive based on such type of the food, but not getting the proper material, that like carbohydrate, protein, vitamins in such type of the food, and we can be ill. Such type of the food known as malnutrition, deficiency of some vitamins. We know कोई भी रोग ऐसा नहीं होता in proper amount. If you not get the vitamins, effect क्या होंगे इसके? हम बीमार हो जाएंगे. Night blindness, we know about night blindness. विटामिन ए की कमी से हो जाता, बेरी विटामिन बी की कमी से. All of you, I taught you lot time this lesson. If you have any of doubt in your mind, you can ask me, but you have to complete your first topic, first lesson once again. मैं जानता हूँ आप लोगों को पढ़ाया जा चुका था, आपने टेस्ट भी दे दिया था, but for the online class once again, इन दिनों में कुछ भूल भी गए होंगे. You have to complete this topic in your notebook once again. If you have any of the doubt in your mind, you can ask me by mail, by text. आप चाहो मैसेज से, फ़ोन करके, you can ask me. और जहाँ तक मेरा मानना है, 2-4 बच्चों को छोड़ दिया जाए. रऊफ का मैं कह नहीं सकता, उसके दिमाग में ये हो सकता है कि उस बाकी जो आप लोग आगे प्रिंसी है, जोया है, किट्टू, अंजलि, दिव्या, आप आई थिंक यू कैन डूइंग वेरी वेल वे। कन्हैया आई थिंक आपने भी कर लिया होगा। If any of the person in all of you have any of the doubt in his mind, I can send you PDF also, important questions and their solutions. Okay, it's enough for today. How to work again? फिर से क्लास में आकर कैसा लगा? और अब तो मार भी नहीं पड़ेगी, you are there, I am here. But to keep continuing this classroom, we have to meet once again. Maybe our वेस्डी फ्रॉम टुडे, आज हम अलग तरीके से हैं, अलग दोहराव पे खड़े हैं। आप घरों में हैं, हम यहाँ हैं, बट बेटे पढ़ना तो पड़ेगा। घर पे रोजाना टाइम बना लो, 2 से 4 घंटे पढ़ो, अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट पढ़ो। जहाँ कहीं भी डाउट्स हो आप पूछिएगा ना, 2 बार, 10 बार, 20 बार, 50 बार। हैव ए गुड डे। मैं सर थक गए वीडियो बनाते हुए।